The World Bank has recognized Nigeria's economy. I'm telling you, the World Bank has recognized Nigeria's economy by saying that the Nigerian economy is going to upgrade, is going to rise, is going to increase to 4.2%. The World Bank is talking about Nigeria and Nigeria's economy. Nigerians are making impact everywhere. The government of Nigeria are doing a great job. They are doing a great job creating impact everywhere. The IMF is talking about Nigeria's economy, how fast the economy is growing. The World Bank is talking about Nigerian economy, how fast the economy is going to grow this 2026. Nigerians are moving higher every day. The government is trying as much as possible to make things work for Nigerians, to pull in foreign investors and local investors, encourage local investors to invest, and they are seriously pulling in foreign investors and encouraging local investors to invest in Nigeria. They are doing that. I'm telling you, the Nigerian economy is showing signs of real growth and resilience in 2025. So 2025 finish, they are getting now into 2026. There is growth, it's showing growth and resilience. There's an increase, and it's going to increase to 4.2%, as the World Bank said. The growth is going to increase to 4.2%, and it's a very good thing, because the Nigerian economy is growing. People are investing all over the world. Nigerians in other European countries all over the world are investing in Nigeria, and the investments are good. They are positive. They are seeing fruits, real fruits. Like when you invest, you see your money. Nigeria has the largest market. Nigeria has the largest market in Africa. Do your research and you see the largest market in Africa. Anything you sell in Nigeria is going to work. Is going to sell, you're going to make money. So that is why Nigerians are trying as much as possible. The Nigerian government is trying as much as possible to attract foreign investors, encourage local investors to invest in Nigeria so that their economy should grow. They no longer want to import from foreign countries anymore. Same as they don't want to import from foreign countries, they don't want to export from foreign countries to foreign countries anymore. They are trying as much as possible to be independent, not to depend on foreign European countries anymore, foreign countries anymore. No, they want to be independent on themselves, and Nigeria is leading. Nigeria is going higher by the day as I'm talking. Nigeria has the largest market in Africa. You understand? So any business you do in Nigeria, I bet you need to be strategic. You are going to make a lot of money. There are over 200 foreign companies in Nigeria that are seriously investing in Nigeria and working. Same as there are over 200 local investors who are investing in Nigeria and making a lot of money. That's the reason why the Nigerian economy, the World Bank has recognized Nigerian economy as a fast growing economy in Africa. Nigeria has the fastest growing economy in Africa, and they are creating impact. Creating impact is not easy for the World Bank to recognize Nigeria's economy, saying Nigeria's economy is growing and is going to grow to 4.2%, from 3 to 4.2%. This is very good. This is good news. Means people are watching, and as they are watching, they are ready to invest more in Nigeria. I'm telling you, this growth is driven by some aspects. This growth is driven by many aspects. One of the aspects is that one of the reasons why the Nigerian economy is growing this fast is because the government has changed policy. You understand? The policy reform. There's a policy reform that has boost investors' confidence, contributing in a better economic growth. It has both the government has reformed the policy, and by reforming the policy, it has boost investors' confidence. You understand? You don't want to invest. You will not want to invest in a country where they pay a lot of taxes. You're not going to regain your money back. You understand? You are not going to regain your money back. you have to lose a lot of money in order to make money and all that. So there's a lot of tax and all that. So the government has reduced those taxes, has reduced some subsidies and all whatnot. So they have drastically reduced their subsidies to attract foreign investors, give them confidence, and also encourage local investors to invest in Nigeria, local investors to invest in their business. So this has really boosted the economy of Nigeria, and this has given investors confidence to contribute to the betterment of Nigeria, to the betterment of the Nigerian economy. You understand? So another point why the Nigerian economy is growing is because they have diversified their investment in different sectors. They no longer think only of petrol. They no longer invest only in petrol. They have diversified their investments. Many investors, foreign investors, local investors have diversified their investment in different sectors. Sectors like infrastructure, sectors like ICT, like AI, you get sectors like communication, telecommunication. We have MTN and all that, all those telecommunication companies in Nigeria. There are so many of them. So people have diversified their investments. They have also invested in finance, and also invested in wanting in trades. So they have diversified their investment. They no longer think only of petroleum this thing. So they are concentrated on other investments. As they are diversifying their investments, investing in other sectors, those sectors keep growing. Why still those sectors is growing? The petroleum sector is also growing, and the Nigerian economy is also growing. They are growing gradually and growing very, very fast. Growing gradually. The most important thing is that you should grow, and Nigerians are growing. The Nigerian economy is growing. If your economy is growing and is being recognized by the World Bank, then you need to know you are doing a great job, and you need to continue doing that job. It's not that easy to be recognized by the World Bank, saying the World Bank is saying that the Nigerian economy is growing and is going to increase this 2026 to 4.2%. It's not that easy. You are being recognized. Nigerian economy is being recognized. That's why they have diversified their investment. They keep investing. The Nigerian government has done some changes, reform policies, reduce subsidies and all that, you get. So they are really doing a great job. The Nigerian government is doing a great job, and as they are doing that job, they are pulling in both foreign investors and local investors. So another reason why the Nigerian economy, the growth is growing, the Nigerian economy is growing this well and going very fast, is that the Nigerian output of crude oil, has strengthened itself, helping the government with revenue and foreign exchange earnings. You get. So the Nigerian output of crude oil has strengthened so hard, so that their oil, they produce everything in Nigeria. So a lot of things have really changed. They no longer send out normal crude oil any longer. So they produce everything, they process everything in Nigeria, and as they process everything in Nigeria, the government gains revenue. The government is being given revenue, it gains revenue, and foreign earning exchange becomes very strong, very strong. You understand? Because the more you send, the more the country's currency leaves the country's economy doesn't grow. But the more the country's currency is being used in the country without going out of the country's economy is growing gradually and is growing very, very fast. You understand? The Nigerian economy is growing and is growing very, very fast. This is a good thing, because many people are saying that no, Nigeria is fruitful. Nigeria is a place to invest in Africa. If you want to invest, come to Nigeria and invest. I bet you are going to love it. You are going to make a lot of money, because Nigeria has the biggest market. They have consumers of every product. That's the reason why they are diversifying their investment. They don't think all of petroleum any longer. They diversify their investment to invest in other sectors. And as they are investing in other sectors, people are watching, people are seeing as they are watching. That is why the World Bank has said that in 2026, their economic growth is going to increase by 4.2%, and from 4.2 is going to increase again, making Nigeria the eye of Africa. The eye of Africa. You get. So please invest in Nigeria. Foreign investors are serious. Nigeria is seriously pulling foreign investors. They keep coming all the time, and they will keep coming. foreign investors are coming into Nigeria as we speak. Same as local investors are also investing in their businesses and making a lot of money. You get? So as as the Nigerian economy is growing, becoming big, it creates job opportunities through these investments, through these policy reforms, through this strengthening output crude oil and other. It creates more job and business opportunities. You get growth across sectors such as ICT, infrastructure, agriculture, finance, trade is going to create job and business opportunities. Many youths will be able to have jobs, to create jobs for themselves, have jobs and earn a lot of money, and the standard of living is going to be good, it's going to be stable. You get? So the standard of living is going to be good and stable, and everything is going to be perfect. This economic growth is creating job opportunities in different sectors, not only petroleum, but in ICT, in telecommunication, in infrastructure, in trade, in finance, so many things. So, and then this is attracting many investors. It attracts many investors. This economic growth seriously attracts investors, both locally and foreign investors. No foreign investor will not want to invest in a country that the local investors there are not willing or confident to invest. If local investors are willing and they are confident in investing in their country, I bet you they are going to pull a lot of foreign investors, because they don't know if local investors are doing this and it's working for them, why can't we, the foreign investors, go to Nigeria and go and do the same thing and make money? So they are pulling a lot of foreign investors, and local investors have confidence in wanting to contribute to the economic growth of Nigeria. You get? So it is very important. And then the Nigerian government and Nigerians as a whole have long-term potential projects. You understand? They are looking at long-term projects. They are not here for short-term projects. They are looking for long-term projects, and any country that is growing economically needs long-term projects. When your projects are long-term, I bet you are going to grow. Your economy is going to grow. They don't look at short-term projects. No, they look at long-term projects that makes their economy grow, makes their economy bigger every time. So Nigeria thinks of long-term projects which position the country as a major powerhouse in Africa. Nigeria is a major powerhouse in Africa. Go do your research, they will tell you. Nigeria is a major powerhouse in Africa. Petroleum in Nigeria. Everything is being done in Nigeria. Nigeria is growing. Tech in Nigeria is the best. Nigeria is leading in Africa when it comes to tech, ICT, telecommunication, finance, trade. Nigeria is leading. They want other African countries to follow them. They want them to open their eyes, and they are seriously leading and encouraging all other African countries to continue and do the best they can in order to grow the economy as well. So Nigerian economy is going faster and stronger by the day. If the World Bank can recognize Nigeria economy that is increasing, saying it's going to increase to 4.2%, then why not invest in Nigeria? Come and invest in Nigeria and make a lot of money.